For decades, computers have powered our world, from the smartphones in our pockets to the spaceships we launch. But what if there was a way to unlock even more processing power? Enter quantum computing, the revolutionary technology poised to change the game. Unlike traditional computers that rely on bits either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits can exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. Companies like Google and IBM are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Google's Sycamore chip has achieved quantum supremacy, solving a specific problem that would take even the most powerful supercomputers years to crack. IBM's Quantum Eagle boasts a record number of qubits, paving the way for even more complex calculations. The potential applications of quantum computing are vast. It could revolutionize fields like medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. While still in its early stages, quantum computing holds the promise to unlock a new era of scientific discovery. Google and IBM are leading the charge, and the future of this technology is bright. Like this video, subscribe for more on cutting-edge tech.